Hi, welcome to Moonworkers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to process payroll on Moonworkers. So to do so, you'll have to click on the payroll section from the top navigation bar and then click on payroll. From this main menu here, you can see your current active payrolls, which you haven't finalized yet, as well as all your previous payrolls. So let's finalize the current one. Here you can see that you access to some data. So first of all, on the top right corner, you have some info, some data about your current salary cost and so on. So the first section is your recap. The second one is the list of your shift workers, temporary workers, contractors here. Thirdly, you have the pension contributions of your employees, and finally, the gross to net. So let's finalize. In this pop-up, you can decide to automatically submit your FPS to HMRC and to send your journal entries to your accounting software by ticking that box here. So we are going to do it, and now the back office is processing everything. The payslips for all your workers have been processed. From here, all your employees will receive their payslips by email. It's password protected, as well as from their employee access. From your FPS section, you can track your previous submission as well as the current one. You can check what has been sent to HMRC in real time. We've already received a response from HMRC, so they have approved our submission. And finally, from the HMRC section, you can see your outstanding balance. This is the amount you'll have to pay to HMRC to cover your national insurance contribution as an employer and for your employees. And you can do so by accessing your PAYE account from HMRC websites. Thank you for watching.